Hey there. If you're older like me, do you really need power chords? So that was a question I got from one of my students. Just so we're all on the same page, here's some power chords. Or you might remember this one. And here's one that's a little more up to date, not terribly so. So you probably know this from what I'm doing. Power chords are two-note chords. And the sound is often played on an electric guitar, where you got a little oomph to kind of carry it through. But it sounds okay on an acoustic guitar, depending on what you're looking for. To make the sound, I'm putting my first finger on the 6th string. Let's say the 3rd fret. We'll do a power chord G. By the way, there's no minor or major with power chords because there's only 2 notes. We'll just call it a G power chord. The note on the 6th string, G, 3rd fret. 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string. 5th. Yeah, right. So that's the power chord. You'll notice I'm actually not hitting all the strings. And there's a couple ways to deal with that. I can kind of angle a little bit so my pick goes out instead of straight down hitting all the strings. But also, what's happening here in my left hand is over the years I've developed the ability to kind of just touch the rest of the strings with my finger, first finger, and it deadens them out. So even if I hit them, it's not going to sound. That takes some practice, and I wouldn't stress over it too much. You can do the same thing on the 5th and 4th strings. Just move it over. Now the name of the power chord comes on the 5th string. In this case, it's a C power chord. That would be a D, half step up, D sharp, or E flat. So, do you need them? Well, they're pretty commonly used on electric guitar, and if you are playing electric, you're probably going to run into places where you want to use them. On acoustic guitar, not so much, but let's face it, playing guitar is, at least for most of us, it's just fun, and this can be another fun way to kind of explore. And you might want to see if there's a place to add them or listen to songs where you recognize the power chord. I'd love to hear what you think. Share in the comments below if you use power chords, if you use them on acoustic guitar or just electric. And for extra points, name those 3 licks, both the band and the song that I played in the beginning of this video. So I'll give you a hint on that first one. The initials for the band is BS. See if you can name the song also. And if you enjoyed this lesson, you're probably a good fit for my Real Guitar Success Academy. I'll put a link down below. You can get a couple-week trial and check it out for yourself. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Thomas Michaud. I hope to see you in the Academy. Bye for now.